Sunday, September 3rd, 2023, the 16th Headies Award took place in Atlanta, Georgia for the second consecutive year. On the night, Marvin star Rema was the biggest winner, going home with 3 gongs. His Nigerian Music Renaissance speech was also the highlight of the event. Other big winners were Asake with 2 gongs, including the coveted Next Rated Award. Burnaboy picked up the Afrobeat Single of the Year and the Best R&B Song. A rare video of Big Brother Naija All-Stars housemates, Adekunle could be seen alongside other housemates, Angel, Pere, Soma And Neo singing to Venita. Recall that Venita and her love interest Adekunle were engaged in a heated argument which got them separated from each other. Venita Pere was seen in the early hours of yesterday shedding tears as she lamented to a fellow housemate, Kim Oprah, about the negativity fed to her love interest Adekunle by an evicted housemate, Shay. Who were you supporting at the 2023 Headies Awards?